Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Shiba and Trust Wallet. First thing I want you to do is just launch up your Trust Wallet and then just go ahead and scroll down. And if you see Shiba, right, then you go ahead and just buy it from there, or you can click on Manage Crypto, just search it up, search for Shiba, and choose the network. So here this is Shiba Inu by the Ethereum network. You can do BNB Smart Chain, whichever one you prefer, and then just go ahead and toggle it on. And then if you go back to your home page, right, you should see your Shiba Inu right here. So go ahead and tap on it, then tap here on buy, and just enter the amount you want to buy, whatever amount it is, hit buy now. And now you can choose your payment method. So come here, tap on that, and you can change your payment method. So right now it's set to Google Pay. Of course, you can go ahead and change it to anything you want. Okay, choose your payment method, and then you can proceed with the purchase. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.